There's a company right now worth $380 billion that most people have barely even heard of. It's called Anthropic, the makers of Claude AI. And in 2026, Claude is pulling in $14 billion a year, the fastest revenue ramp in modern tech history. Here's why that matters to you. While most people are using Claude to write emails and answer random questions, a small group of people are quietly using it to replace their full-time income. Let me give you a personal example. I needed to plan a huge family trip, multiple cities, 2 weeks, the whole thing. A travel agency quoted me thousands of dollars just to plan it. So instead, I dropped the entire trip into Claude. Best neighborhoods, best restaurants, a day-by-day breakdown. And honestly, it did a better job than the agency would have, for free. And that's when it hit me. If Claude can do that for my family, people would pay good money for that exact service. That's side hustle number one, the AI travel agency. Here's the opportunity. Luxury travel agencies charge anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars to plan a custom trip. Most travelers can't afford that, but they'd happily pay $500 or $1,000 for the same personalized itinerary. And with Claude, you can build it in under an hour. You set up Claude as an expert travel planner, feed it the client's trip details, and it builds the entire itinerary. You're running a six-figure travel concierge service from your laptop at 1/10 the price of the big agencies. So today, I'm giving you 8 of these Claude side hustles that can genuinely pay a full-time income. These aren't theories. Real people are making real money with every single one right now. And stick around to number 8 because it has the highest ceiling of them all. Let's keep going. Side hustle number 2, the dating profile writer. I know, this one sounds ridiculous the first time you hear it, then you see the numbers and your jaw drops. There are people running million-dollar businesses just writing dating profiles for other people. This isn't new. One guy has been doing it since 2009. His company has created over 20,000 dating profiles. People pay between $100 and $500 for a single profile. But here's the thing, he had to hire writers, train them for months. Some of them needed English degrees. You don't need any of that. You just need Claude and a simple questionnaire. The client fills out their hobbies, their personality, what they're looking for. You feed it to Claude and it writes them a profile that actually gets matches in about 15 minutes. Charge $200 a profile, a few profiles a day, a few days a week, and you're looking at several $1,000s a month on something most people would never think of. The market has paid for this for over 15 years. AI just made the work almost instant. Side hustle number 3, LinkedIn ghostwriting for executives. This might be the biggest sleeper on this entire list. There are ghostwriters charging $500 to $700 per hour to write LinkedIn posts for executives. That's lawyer money. Here's why this is exploding. LinkedIn now has over 1 billion members, and executives finally realize their personal profiles get way more attention than their company pages. But here's the catch. LinkedIn's algorithm in 2026 actually buries content that sounds AI generated. So executives are stuck. They need content. Raw AI posts get suppressed and they have no time to write it themselves. That's where you come in. You interview the executive for about an hour a month. You use Claude to draft the post in their voice. Then you add the human touch that gets past the algorithm. You charge each client $2,000 to $5,000 a month. 3 clients is a real living. 5 clients and you're doing very well writing LinkedIn posts from your couch. Side hustle number 4, AI children's books on Amazon. If passive income is what you're after, this one is for you. Here's the model. Children's picture books are short, always in demand, and never go out of style. You write the book once. Amazon prints it on demand. You collect royalties forever. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, just a simple book and thousands of parents who want it for their kid. Here's some real data. There are creators making a few $1,000s a month in pure profit from a single book. Now, Amazon cracked down last year on low-effort AI spam books. Most people see that as bad news. I see it as opportunity. Because the spammers got wiped out, the opportunity now belongs to people who actually make good books. You use Claude to write the story, you pair it with an AI image tool like Nano Banana for the illustrations, you format it in Canva and upload it to Amazon, then you do it again. Build a small library of these and the royalties stack up into real monthly income while you sleep. Side hustle number 5, the Faceless content channel. This is where it gets juicy. Faceless channels are channels where you never show your face, just visuals, text, and a voiceover, and some of these are making staggering money. There are faceless channels pulling in tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Claude is the engine behind these. It researches the topics, it writes the scripts, it plans the content, then you pair it with AI voice and video tools to produce everything. Now here's the key. Earlier this year, the platform started wiping out low-effort AI slop channels. Mass-produced garbage got demonetized overnight. But here's the good news. Quality channels with a real human directing the AI are thriving. So the secret is to use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. You bring the direction and the taste. Claude handles the volume. Do it right, and one faceless channel can replace your entire income. Side hustle number 6. Course creation as a service. I think this one is going to blow up the biggest over the next year. Here's the opportunity. Coaches, consultants, doctors, lawyers, they all have real expertise, but they don't have the time or the patience to turn it into a course or a program, so they'll happily pay $10,000 to $50,000 to someone who can build it for them. That someone is you. You interview the expert to pull out their knowledge. Then Claude does most of the heavy lifting, writing the modules, scripting the videos, building the email sequences, writing the sales page. You're the creative director. Claude is the production team. You only need to land a few of these a year to make 6 figures. And once you've done one, the next one is even easier. Real quick, if you're getting value from this, comment the word maker below. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to take any of these hustles and turn it into a real business. I want to make sure you get access to it. Side hustle number 7, sales page and video script copywriting. This is one of the highest paid writing skills on the planet. Here's why it's exploding right now. Ads are getting more expensive every single year. So businesses are pouring money into sales pages and video sales letters to convert the traffic they already have. Top copywriters charge $5,000 to $25,000 for a single sales page. And this is Claude's home turf. Long form persuasion is what Claude does best. You can load a proven copywriting framework, the brand's voice, and the product details into one Claude project. Then Claude drafts the entire sales page. You do an editing pass, add the human polish, and what used to take a copywriter 2 weeks now takes you a couple of days. Charge $5,000. Deliver it in 48 hours, and the client thinks you're a wizard. One sales page a month is a full-time income. Side hustle number 8, building and selling AI software. This is the one with the highest ceiling by far, and it's the one I personally went all in on. Here's what most people don't realize. You can now use Claude to build real software without writing a single line of code. You describe what you want in plain English, Claude writes the code, builds the pages, and creates the whole thing. I've built software this way for around $50 that would have cost me 6 figures just a few years ago. So why is this the best one on the list? One word: recurring revenue. With every other hustle I've shown you, you get paid for the work you do. With software, your customers pay you every single month. Charge $50 a month, get 200 customers, and that's a $10,000 a month business. That's not a side hustle anymore. That's freedom. And those customers keep paying month after month, whether you're working or not. Now, here's the honest truth nobody tells you. Building the software is the easy part now. Claude made that simple. The hard part, the part where almost everyone fails, is getting customers. You can build the most beautiful software in the world, but if nobody knows it exists, it makes $0. So the real skill in 2026 isn't building anymore. It's knowing what to build that people actually want and how to get it in front of them. And that's exactly why my partner and I built Maker AI. We took everything we learned from doing over $18 million in sales and put it into one tool. It solves the exact problem that stops everyone on side hustle number 8. I find you a profitable software idea based on real demand. It validates that idea with actual market data, so you know people will pay before you build anything. It gives you the exact prompts to build your software with Claude, and then the part that actually matters, it gives you the complete system to get customers. The thing that stops 99% of people. So whether you start with a travel service, dating profiles, children's books, or building software, Maker AI can help you turn it into a real business. If you want it, comment the word maker below and I'll send you everything. You can also click the link in the description. So let's recap the 8 Claude side hustles. Number 1, the AI travel agency. Number 2, the dating profile writer. Number 3, LinkedIn ghostwriting. Number 4, AI children's books. Number 5, faceless content channels. Number 6, course creation as a service. Number 7, sales page copywriting. And number 8, building and selling AI software. Any one of these can replace a full-time income. Now, here's the truth I really want you to hear. The opportunity with Claude right now is like the internet in 1995 or YouTube in 2015. The people who started back then look like geniuses today, but they weren't geniuses. They just showed up early. You are early on Claude, but that window is closing fast. So don't be the person who watches this video, thinks that's cool, and does nothing. Be the person who picks one of these, opens Claude, and builds something this week. That's how every success story starts. If you got value from this, subscribe, because I show you exactly how to make money with AI every single week. I'll see you in the next one.